guess this is what you gotta do when you drive a two-seater convertible with absolutely no trunk space. Oh my gosh. And back at it again with another video. Welcome back. Today we have a short video. Nothing too big. We're going to be installing my RX7 side blades into the S2000, and I've had these ever since I got the front bumper, so maybe 2 or 3 weeks. So it's been some time since I've been sitting on it, but not too long. Again, these are RX7 side blades. They are obviously made for the RX7, but they're as long as the S2000 sides. So a lot of people run them and it looks really good. So I'm going to go test fit it, and yeah, let's get it going. Alright, so we stopped by Home Depot, grabbed some self-tapping screws, but we ended up getting some loft too. So the loft is like a Hawaiian food place out in Artesia, Lakewood area. Look at this. Oh, got the TV on, got the fridge. Opened up with some juice. We're gonna eat real quick and then start the install for the side skirts. Yay! Alright, so we finished up eating, stopped by Home Depot once again, and picked up some number 8 by 1 inch screws, self-tapping screws. We already mocked up the side blades, the RX7 side blades, and have a good idea on where to mount them and things like that. So, just gonna get it started. We're all lazy and tired though. I wanna sleep. Research! Alright, so we got the car on jack stands, got my TEs on the grass, and what the plan is, so we're going to mock up the side skirts and get a good idea of where to drill. But also what we're doing is we are painting the axle nut that sticks out on the wheel since I don't have wheel caps. And then also this area as well. So we're just cleaning it off with the wire brush and paint it real quick, and as it's drying, throw on the side skirts. Alright, so what we're doing right now is that we're painting the axle nuts, or Geno already painted the axle nuts. Geno's paint job, and they look really good. Don't mind the rust on the rotors. Look at the fronts. This came out super good. Compared to the other side, look at that. Damn, big difference. Huge difference just spraying it with some black paint. So we're gonna wait for those to dry. I mean, they're technically already dry, and then work on the bottom. Alright, so we're mocking it up right now, trying to see how far we want to stick it out. And this does not look bad at all. Still work in progress though, we'll see how it ends up turning out. So in total we have 7 screws all across the side skirt, and it looks good. Primo. Looks super good. Again, the axle nut is sprayed, looks super good compared to how it looked like before. And then also painted this area too, where the axle bearing, the axle nut, whatever it's called, painted that area too, looks super good. A lot more flush, so much more flush than how it looked before. So we didn't do this side. Look how the bearing looks. It's all rusted, see-through silver as well. The axle nut's not too bad, but might as well paint it too. I'm so excited. This car is turning out to be a lot better than planned, but looks super good on how it looks right now. I thought you meant the wheels. Oh, it's like the
Look at, okay, let's just enjoy this view right here.
I'm not gonna.
That looks good. Woohoo!
Oh,
First side done.
looks good. Looks really good. Oh my gosh, it is so good. It is so good. This is literally what the car was needing, no doubt. Because the front end was so aggressive. The wheels poked out hella, but at the same time, it just didn't flow. But with the side skirts, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so stoked. It just pretty much completed exactly what I was looking for. Oh man. But yeah, as Jirath said, and as I predicted as well, the back looks like a wimp. So I guess the views are coming soon too. So again, we finished up this side. Side blades are looking great, hella great. And again, the axle nut being sprayed black complements the wheels so much. This side too. So as we're working on this side, prepping it for paint, Jirath's over here testing the TEs on the white BMW E46 wagon, and they look hella good, dude. Here's the shot. Dude, they look hella good. Damn. I guess you gotta get TEs now, huh? TEs on German, who would have thought?
Always looks good. Looking for a sponsor.
TE the world! Geno's paint shop at it again. Looking great, looking great. Now again, side skirts going in. So Geno went under the car, drilled it in, and it looks great. We all measured on both sides and it matched up fairly well, if not perfectly. And I can't wait for the car to go down and see both sides. Super stoked. But what's even cooler is that we test fitted / test saw what the TEs look on the BMW and the wagon. And the BMW, the freaking Geno's M3, it looks so good. It looked cherry, bruh.
It look cherry?
It looks cherry. I'm so excited. I'm so happy, so excited. Let's go. So I really wanted this car to be aggressive, and I very much achieved that. Sorry, I'm really dark, hold up. All right, so I very much achieved that aggressive stance with obviously the help of Geno, Jirath, and other people. Nico, shout out to you too, bro. But, oh man, so this is literally what I've been wanting, and I finally achieved it. Because the front end was so aggressive, but then when I threw the tires on, it just looked like it was missing something. I feel like these side skirts, they didn't complete it, but it very much added to what this car should definitely be looking like for stage one. Stage one of the build. But, if you can come back over here, we're missing something. So, very soon I'll be pulling the trigger on a Voltex diffuser, and yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm not entirely sure what route I'm gonna go, but most likely it's gonna be Voltex to match the front end as well. But dude, what do you think about it?
That looks amazing.
What the hell is that?
Dude, it looks aggressive as F.
Yeah, super happy with how it came out. Maybe this side's a little better with the sun.
It finally, all I'm saying is it finally matches the front bumper.
Oh, it definitely matches the front bumper because it was well needed. So finally, I have the carbon fiber flowing from the front bumper to flow through the side skirts to also match the mirrors. Oh man. Oh man. Very meaty, but that's pretty much it. I think I'm gonna end it here. Thank you very much to Geno and JM Auto Lab. Gonna do it for us today. Until next time. Peace.